Hello everyone, and what's the difference between the words confidence and aplomb? All of you heard about the word confidence. It means self-assurance in your own abilities, capabilities, etc. And some of you may say that aplomb is just a fancy word for confidence. It may be the case, but we're here gathered together to solve this and find the difference. And the difference is that aplomb applying a certain degree of grace and composure. For example, they have been walking around with aplomb. It means that they have their own unique style. They probably enjoying themselves, have their own grace and composure, and want to be noticed. And you can also say about the word aplomb that this word can be applied to people who love challenges. The simplest example is about detective work. For instance, there are finest detectives with great aplomb, said the captain, and it means that they love their job, they enjoying to be in difficult situations and solve tough tasks. And that's pretty all about it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm happy to help you, and see you next time.